This tutorial explains how to manage and use person tags effectively. You will learn to create, edit, and apply tags within employee profiles and evaluations. How to manage and use persons tags. Visit the Persons section and click on Edit Profile. Scroll down to the Tags section where you can use an existing tag, or you can even create a new tag. Once selected, scroll down and save the profile. You can manage the master list of tags by visiting Settings and Evaluation Configuration. Over to the Tags section where you can modify an existing tag, delete an existing tag, or add a new tag. Enter a new tag in the Tag Input field to add it to the master list. Enter your tag name to categorize persons effectively. Click the Save button to add the new tag to the master list. Use tags in evaluations. Head over to the evaluation templates, click on Add a new evaluation, and select your preferred evaluation type. Enter the title, select the send date. Select the evaluation frequency from daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly options. Select the tags to be evaluated, select the levels of evaluators, and select the result areas. Click the Company Core Values option to include it in the evaluation criteria. Click Include to add the selected criteria to the evaluation template. Advanced evaluation options allow you to customize your evaluations, hide evaluations from the person's dashboard, and enable signature requests before saving the evaluation template. Click Confirm to save and finalize the evaluation template. You have successfully managed and created person tags on employee profiles. This tutorial guides you through managing person tags on employee profiles, including creating tags, managing the master list, and using tags in performance evaluations.